Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wizard channel. Today, we are exploring an easy way to download subtitles from Netflix. All you need is the Wizard Netflix video downloader, which is free and user-friendly. It supports batch downloads in multiple languages and lets you save subtitles in various formats like SRT or the original Netflix format. You'll need to install it on your computer, but trust me, it's worth it. Don't forget to click the download link in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Wizard Netflix downloader on your computer and log into your Netflix account right from within the app. Next, click on the hamburger icon in the upper right corner of the Wizard interface and choose Preferences. In the Download section, personalize your setup for subtitle format and language. After that, remember to check your output location for easy access later. Now, you can search the Netflix movies or TV shows where you want to get the subtitles. Once you've found it, click the red download button in the corner. Here, you can select the episodes to download, and also the languages and formats for the subtitles. When you complete the setup, click the download button and the download process will begin in a second. Once downloaded, you can view the results in the output folder and check how the subtitles present. As for embedded subtitles, you can watch your downloaded Netflix content with subtitles right there. If you prefer independent subtitles, you can view them as plain text to take notes or study as you watch. In addition to downloading Netflix subtitles, Wizard Netflix Video Downloader offers many more features for you to explore. Be sure to give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today's video. Thanks for your watching.